Welcome to my channel. Can't access 192.168.1.1? Router admin login and password fix. Step 1. Check router connection. Make sure your device, mobile or computer, is connected to the same Wi-Fi network or directly to the router using a LAN cable. Step 2. Type the correct address. Open any browser, Chrome, Edge, Safari, and type http://192.168.1.1 in the address bar, not Google search. Step 3. Try alternate IP addresses. If it doesn't open, try common alternatives like 192.168.0.1, 192.168.1.254, or 192.168.0.254. Step 4. Check router's default IP. Look at the sticker on the back of your router. It usually shows the correct login IP, username, and password. Step 5. Restart your router. Turn off the router, wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on. After reboot, try accessing 192.168.1.1 again. Step 6. Disable VPN or proxy. If VPN or proxy is on, turn it off. VPNs often block access to local IP addresses. Step 7. Use a different browser or device. Sometimes browser cache causes issues. Try another browser or a different phone, laptop. Step 8. Check your IP settings. Ensure your device IP is set to automatic, DHCP, and not manual, static. Step 9. Fix wrong username or password. If login page opens but password doesn't work, try common defaults like admin, 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 password admin, 1234. Step 10. Reset router, last option. Press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. This will erase Wi-Fi name and password, so resetup will be required. Thank you for watching.